it kind of, you fall down face down. Maybe we'll be able to take you on it, give you a ride. All right, I think we're gonna take y'all for a ride on Falcon's Fury. They're face down. And there's a lizard.
A lizard.
A lizard right on.
Well, how was that ride?
Oh, it was great. Of course, for the third ride today, we get up to the ready to get on, the next one to get on, and it's down. Which, really, in all honesty,
The wind has picked up.
The wind has picked up.
They can't
and it might
really
get
run
a storm, I don't know. Falcon's Fury's back up.
Yeah, so we're gonna go ride Falcon Fury.
Go ride it. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Somebody's already screaming, let me on.
I'm good with that.
I'm scared.
Wazi RMC in the future, maybe?
Let's hope.
It's a really silly idea. I haven't seen the cheetah go.
I don't think Cobra's Curse is still not running yet.
Cheetah Hunt is. Cheetah Hunt is.
Yeah, Cheetah Hunt's running. There's Sheikra over there. We still got to ride Sheikra.
And Kumba's behind us.
Is he behind the rock?
Great view of Tampa.
Yeah.
Can't wait if that's gonna get all right. Here we go.
Oh!
Woo! Ah!
Oh! Fun.
Hey,
That was fun.
kosher hair don't care. Neither does drop tower hair.
Yeah.
Not that kind of drop tower.